Hello! Welcome to this eDirectory tutorial. Today we'll guide you through uploading your business logo to your eDirectory website. This simple process will help personalize your site and enhance your brand's identity. Let's dive in. On your Site Manager dashboard, look for Settings in the left-hand menu. Click it, and then choose Basic Information. Locate the section that says Choose Your Main Logo Image. Click on Choose File and select your logo from your computer. For optimal results, we recommend a high-quality image in JPG, PNG, or GIF format. After selecting your logo, scroll to the bottom and click Save Changes to upload and apply it to your website. Once saved, click the Visit button at the top right of the Site Manager to view your website. Your new logo should now be visible in your website's header, giving it a polished and professional appearance. That's it. Your logo is successfully uploaded. Thanks for watching.